Hello sisters, this is Sister Irene. Today I'm showing you how to make a reversible face mask. The other side is white, the other side is purple. All we need to do is to sew all the sides, sew all this, and then just leave a little bit space here. We should not sew this one here, so we have a space to reverse the fabric. Okay, let me show you. Now we already sew all the corners, so we have to trim this so both fabrics are of the same length. Okay, we have to cut this into the same length, like so, like so. Okay, now that they are of the same length, we have to reverse this. This is the ones that we did not sew, so that we can reverse this thingy. All right. We'll do it a little bit careful so it won't tear apart. I made it too small. Maybe I just have let it a little bit bigger, but it's okay. Now we have it. See, the other side is white, the other side is purple. There you go. Now, see, then all we need to do is to close this. Close this one, and then close this with a sewing machine. Run the sewing machine over here, and then we make a pleat here. Okay, I'll show. Okay, now before we sew this together with the pleat, I want to make sure that the hook, the loop for my ear, this one, this is 12 inches, and then I fold it into two. I want it sturdy, so I fold it into two and then put it right here, sew it right here. Okay, and then the same thing with the other side. Okay, let me show you. So it's like this. You sew the ear loop here on this. I double the elastic band, and then you sew it here, and then do the same thing under. So you have the ear loop like this. Okay. All right. I'll show you in a bit. Now it looks like this. This is the purple side, this is the white side. So you can have the ear loop either ways, like so. Like so. This side, or you can do it the other side. Proudly made in the USA. See you later.